composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Okay, today I'm going to be making for you my Greek Tzatziki. Yes, this is an amazing dip and it goes very well with many meat-based dishes. Okay, to begin with, I'm going to need a bowl. And in this bowl, I've got Greek yogurt here, and it's 500 grams. I'm going to put the whole lot in the bowl, okay? It's good to use Greek yogurt because it's very thick and that's what you want. There we go, okay. Now we're going to need some cucumber. One whole cucumber. You see this cucumber? Aaron actually grew this in the garden. Look at the length on that. That is pretty impressive.
Good girth.
Good girth as well, look at it. That is very good. Alright, what we need to do with this is grate it. You need to grate the whole thing. Aaron,
Speedy.
gone. There we go, all grated. Now what we need to do is squeeze it. Squeeze all that water out. We don't want any water, or else it's going to end up being very watery, isn't it? So let's take it over to the sink. I just take it with my hands and just give it a good squeeze. You can wrap it in a towel and do all that blah blah blah, but this is absolutely fine. And squeeze it all out. There we go. All right, look at that. A whole cucumber, that's what you've got left. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, all my effort.
So we're going to throw that into the Greek yogurt. And to that, we're going to add, what I've got here is I've got half a teaspoon salt, about half a teaspoon sugar, granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon dry mint, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and half a lemon. Now, if you're making this to go with my gyro, my Greek chicken gyros, gyros, whatever you want to call it.
Flavour chicken.
Flavour chicken, exactly. You would have used half a lemon for that. You've got the other half left. So use it for this. You see? See how that worked? Very clever. All right, let's chuck all this in. Get that lemon squeezed in, the juice of half the lemon. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon cider vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar. I'm just going to eyeball this. That'll do. And a good grinding of pepper. Let's stir it. This would actually go very well with my chili heat wave fried chicken, which I'll put a link up there for you as well. This goes with a lot of meat dishes. You can even just use it as a dip for crisps. Why not?
Doritos.
Doritos, absolutely.
Other crisps are available. Look at the concentration on the face.
Actually, that's pretty good.
Oh, rate yourself.
That is pretty. I think that's absolutely perfect. But try it. If you think it needs a little bit more sugar, a little bit more salt, just add it. What you need to do, you make it your own. And while I've got you all here, don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. Okay, so that is actually ready. All we need to do now is put it in a nice serving bowl. Let's go for this one. Now, as if that wasn't pretty enough. Oh no, we're going to just finish it off now with, I'm going to put some pepper on top, just a few grindings, like so. And I'm going to put some mint, just a small sprig of dry mint. There we go. And a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. There we go. This dip will go with many, many dishes. like it, enjoy it. Dip away. Dip, dip, dip. Love it. See you soon. Lots of love.
Relax your mind and body, baby. Just feel